welcome to Shelley Studio and Acrylic April. We are still going strong. This time I am doing some flowers. These are a little bit different than the abstract flower bouquets that I was doing before, but I was in the mood to paint some flowers, so I thought I would give it a try. Okay, so these flowers are looking a little strange. So we are going to just go right over all of them and make new flowers over the top of them. Hopefully they'll look better. Alright, so now I've got a bunch of circles down. Those will be the bases of my flowers. And then I thought I'd just take a little bit of white, put it on just on the corner of my brush, trying to get sort of a shading thing going on. The first one wasn't quite what I liked, but then I get this kind of single stroke, like Donna Dewberry style, sort of. A loose interpretation of her flowers style, I guess. And I apologize right here. I think the camera stopped and I probably ran out of space on my memory card and didn't realize it. And so, yeah, I got those all filled in, and then decided we should have some green. They'll be on grass. It'll be like a flower bed. Alright, so once I got the grass done, I felt like they needed centers. I don't think they... Looking back, they kind of look like carnations. They did not need centers. But I felt like they needed centers, so they're all getting these black and yellow, I don't know, weird centers. So I'm just trying to give the background a little bit more depth, adding a little bit of Payne's Gray in there. And then I think that I need some extra florally bits, you know, just sort of small flowers in there. And then I decide I don't really care for it. So I take a baby wipe and wipe it off, and yay, the underneath was dry, so it all came off easily. So here's my flowers. I hope you liked it. I hope you're enjoying Acrylic April. It's almost over. Can you believe it? I've made it this far. Anyways, if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.